Emma, where are my car keys? Are they under the sofa? Are they behind the TV? Are they inside the microwave?
Why do you look in the microwave, David? Look inside your jacket pockets. Anna, do you have your food box?
Yes, Mom. I have an apple, a sandwich, and a juice box.
I want someone to help me find my things. Hey, Barnaby, do you know where my keys are? Your keys are under the cushion of your favorite armchair, David. There are also 3 coins and an old potato chip there.
Did our cat just speak?
Did the cat just say cushion and armchair?
Please do not cry or scream. Yes, I speak English. I speak very good English. I went to a special cat school. Emma! Our cat is speaking! First the baby, now the cat! I am a smart cat. My code name is Agent Whiskers, Whiskers. And today, we have a big problem in this house.
A problem? In our kitchen?
Yes. Look under the dining table.
There is a tiny paper map here.
Yes! It is a map of the food. A very bad mouse named Whisker-Face is in our house. He wants one thing, our secret Wi-Fi password. Why does a mouse want our internet? Because he wants to watch videos about cheese on YouTube. If you want your internet and your keys, you must listen to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Listen to me, team. We must catch the thief. Let's learn place words. If I say, the mouse is behind the curtain, where do you look?
You look between the window and the cloth.
Good job! Correct. David, if the mouse is above the bookshelf, where do you look? Down at the carpet? No, David! Above means up high. Look up at the ceiling. Let's try again. Emma, where is the food cupboard?
It is next to the refrigerator, between the stove and the back door.
Very good, Emma! Perfect English. Now, we must practice walking. We must walk quietly. Look at me. Stay low, bend your legs, walk softly. David, try it. Bad. Very loud. You walk like an elephant, David. If the mouse hears you, he will run away to the roof. Hey, walking quietly is difficult for me.
Let me try.
Amazing! You are my helper now. Your name is Agent Backpack.
Yes, Agent Whiskers.
Wait, if Anna is a spy, who is going to watch the baby?
The baby is already wearing a costume. Now, let's go to phase 2. Look for clues in the kitchen. Look closely, Agent Backpack. Tell me what you see. Use words for quantities.
Let me see. There are a lot of pasta boxes on the bottom shelf. There are a few cans of soup on the middle shelf. But look at the top shelf.
What is there?
The cracker box is completely empty. And there is a small hole in the cereal box.
Good job. The mouse loves sugar. He did not eat the soup. He ate the biscuits and the cereal. Well, I am hungry. I want a snack. No, David! Do not touch that. That bag has a clue. Look at the tiny footprint on the bag. It has 4 toes. It is him!
But Barnaby, why does a mouse want our internet password? How does a mouse know about Wi-Fi?
This is not a normal mouse, Emma. He lived in a computer office before. He can type very fast with his tail. Look behind the jar of honey.
Oh my God! He has a small computer station here.
Yes, he wants to change our internet router settings. If he does, he will download many videos, and our internet will become very slow. You will not be able to watch your English lessons on YouTube, Anna.
No! Not my English videos! We must stop him!
Yes. We need to make a trap. We need food. Good food. David, what is the best cheese in the fridge?
The yellow cheddar cheese. It is on the middle shelf, inside a box.
Perfect. We put the cheese on the floor tonight. Team, get ready.
What time is it?
It is exactly 11:35 p.m.
Be quiet. The mouse usually comes out between midnight a.m. He rarely comes out in the afternoon because he is afraid of me.
I never stay up at night. I always go to sleep at 10 p.m. Can I go to my bed?
No, David. You are big and strong. If the mouse runs to the living room, you must stop him with your big feet. Stop talking. The target is here.
Well, well, well. Look at this cheese. A free dinner. Haha! Do they think they can catch me with a piece of cheese? I am too smart.
Do we catch him now?
Wait. He is not touching the food yet.
This is too easy. This family is very silly, especially the dad. He drops food on the floor every day.
Hey, I do not.
Shh, David. Be quiet.
Turn on the lights, Anna! Stop, mouse! You cannot run! The cat police is here!
You cannot catch me, cat!
David! Close the door! Go, go, go! I am sorry! He went under the table!
I can catch him! You missed me!
Emma! Use the kitchen tools. Catch his jacket.
Whee! I win, cat! I am putting this wire inside the internet router. Now the password is mine! No, you don't.
No! It is too high! You cannot jump there!
A good spy can do anything, Anna. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh no! The cat!
Game over, mouse. You cannot steal our internet now.
Hooray! The internet is safe!
I do not have the password, but this cheese is delicious. Thank you, Agent Whiskers. The job is finished. The house is safe. The internet is fast. And David has his keys.
Thank you for finding my keys under the cushion, Barnaby. You did a great job today, students. Your English words and listening are getting better every day. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. See you next time. Goodbye from Agent Whiskers.